Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how and why you need a free Capcut AI talking avatar. Okay, first step is to drag your audio or video file onto the timeline in Capcut PC. Click on the audio or video file, right click, and click the option Transcript Based Editing. Under the top left hand screen, you can highlight the text you would like to use for this example, and then click Text Templates. Choose one of the templates and choose the plus icon, and then go to the top right hand screen and click the fourth option, or the AI Characters tab. You have a list of AI different characters ranging from male to female, so choose the one that you want to use or preview.
This is the test.
And now click Add at the bottom right hand screen. Wait for this to load. Trust me guys, boys and girls, it's going to absolutely blow your mind, so be patient. As you can see, it's currently applying on your video timeline, so wait for this to load. And this is what this sounds like.
This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while recording. Let's go.
Okay, the audio that you use, you can click on it and then click delete. So you only have the avatar. And if you only don't want the text on the screen, then you can click and drag the text layer down below. And this is the before.
This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while recording. Let's go.
And this is the after.
This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while recording. Let's go.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.